We had a pretty crazy moment between Kemran Lachinov and Kyle Crutchmer. Just check it out, then we're going to talk about it.
Outside leg, set it up with the hands. There's that third punch that I said would land. You gotta love the reaction. Look at Lachinov. Go ahead, hit me. He's going Kimbo slice.
What a goddamn freak. So Cameron's going to take a left hook here. Boom. Eats it, and then he smiles. He puts his hands down, he smiles, and he goes, oh my God, I forgot. I love getting punched in the face. So then he just walks forward. He goes, hey, punch me in the face. Kyle's confused. He goes, you want me to punch you in the face? He goes, yeah, punch me in the face. He goes, okay. Jab, cross, boom, to the face. How the hell did he take that? He took a jab and a cross to the face. Even the referee thought the fight was going to be over. And he goes, oh, no, you okay? You okay? Okay, cool. Kyle's confused. I'm confused. The referee's confused. Just a lot of confusion going on here. But Kemran, he has a plan. He goes, I'm going to put my hands down and fight, and I'm going to get the win. And does he get the win? Yeah, he gets the win. So, yeah, I guess if I'm ever in a situation where I need to fight someone, I'll just put my hands down and walk forward, and that'll do the job. Also, if The Walking Dead is going to start a new season, they might want to look into casting Kemran as a zombie because he makes some really, really good zombie noises here.